So this tastes exactly how it is in Nigeria because it's the same ingredients. Peace and love to all the beautiful people out there. I'm in the lovely city of Johannesburg, one of my favorite cities. Oh man, let me tell you, family. I've been to a lot of cities in my life, but nothing has the vibe like Johannesburg. You heard what I'm talking about? So right now, I'm actually about to go get a haircut, try to get my beard trimmed, stuff like that. You know what I mean? Just so I ain't looking all bummy. You know what I mean? I'm a nomad, but I ain't got to look all bummy out here. You know what I mean? Special shout out to my wife, and Ayla, who is currently in the United Arab Emirates. Shout out to them. But right now, I'm actually in a part of the city called Ferndale, which I believe is in Randburg. And I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit what it looks like. Headed to the barbershop, family. Okay, so I have reached Randburg Square, and right now I'm just looking for a barbershop, and I ran into this mall. Oh, cool, a gym for $199 a month. That's like $10. I just got my hair cut, as you can see. Yeah, pretty cool. Peace, family. Yeah, I'm now in Randburg, chilling with Eddie, who I just met.
Hello, buddy.
Yeah, man.
How you doing?
Yeah. So you from here in South Africa?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Yeah, man. So what's this area called?
It's called Randburg.
And this is Randburg Square?
It is Randburg Square.
Nice. Yeah, Eddie, so where we headed to right now?
We're going to eat some Nigerian food. Yeah, egusi.
Egusi.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Do they have the fufu there?
No, there's no fufu. They have semolina.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Fufu is more stronger than semolina. Semolina is more softer.
Okay.
Yeah, white fufu is very hard.
Yeah. Is the how you say it? Semolina?
Semolina.
Semolina.
Semu.
Semu?
Semu.
Semu?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the same as pop?
Different or same product, different way of making it. We're going to how we make it in Nigeria.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay, so this is the Nigerian restaurant?
Yeah.
What are these right here?
It's for you to wash your hand before you eat your food. This is water, it's still water. That is Malta Guinness.
So this is beer?
No, it's not beer.
Oh, it's not?
It's Malta Guinness.
Okay. Now, when I waved at the brother, I waved with my left hand, and you told me that, y'all don't do that.
You know, culture.
Okay.
The Chinese, they don't greet you standing. The Chinese greet you in their head.
Yeah.
Okay. In Nigeria, we do the same thing too. When you see people who are older than you, you don't greet them with left hand. They don't appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay. At least with your right hand.
With your right hand. Okay. I remember that. We don't shake hands with the left hand though. We don't do that. Like we don't shake hands with the left hand. And a lot of things we don't do with the left hand.
It's called bitter leaf.
Bitter leaf.
The leaf is bitter.
Okay.
But it's nice. It's medicinal.
Okay.
Meaning, if you eat the leaf, or if you wash the leaf and drink the water, you can never be sick.
Yeah. What kind of leaf is it?
It's called bitter leaf.
Bitter leaf. No, that's what it's called. Like
you only find it in West Africa. South Africa don't have it. But if you bring the stick from Nigeria, you can plant it here.
Is the Nigerian culture similar to South African culture?
No.
Yeah.
Zulu, I would say yes. We have the same kind of culture with Zulu.
Okay.
With the Zulus. That is a goose. Looks like eggs.
Okay. So like what is in here? Is it like chicken or any meat in there? No meat?
It's meat. You have beef, you have tribes, you have cow legs,
Okay.
Yeah. Let me say, this is UBC.
UBC, how you doing?
Yeah. In the kitchen.
Okay.
It's a chef.
Nice. Yeah, nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. Yeah. I'm gonna try the goosey first, and this was simple. Right. Oh yeah, that's good, man.
For sure.
Yeah, that's real good. It got a lot of seasoning in there.
Yeah.
It's spicy, real spicy. But it's not too spicy. I can take the spice. It's real good. I like this.
Beautiful.
That's good, man. I really like the taste.
Don't finish it. Don't force yourself.
No, I'm gonna eat all this, man. I'm hungry.
That is, let me say, actually, because that is tribes.
Tribes.
No tribes.
Is that
This. With the animal inside.
the inside?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's nice.
It's nice. It's good. This is real flavorful. They really did a good job seasoning this food.
African food. And now, this is from Nigeria, right?
Yeah.
How do we get everything here that we have inside here? Inside Africa?
Yeah. Like how?
We bring them from Nigeria. We have Nigeria shops everywhere.
Okay.
So if you want to buy their anything, you go to their shops and buy them. She, the owner of the store, she go to Nigeria and bring out the stuff from Nigeria.
Okay. Man. So this tastes exactly how it is in Nigeria because it's the same ingredients. This is good, man. I'm telling you, it's real good and flavorful. I would get this again. I would. All right, so this is cow leg. All right. I think it's the first time I'm trying this.
Is it?
Yeah.
The legs of cow.
It kind of has an oxtail kind of taste to it, a feel to it.
And I don't believe in America you guys eat that. You guys don't eat it.
No. It's good.
Nice.
It tastes like oxtail to me. That was it, family. Trying Nigerian food out here in Johannesburg, South Africa. Also trying this. This is good. It tastes like that Malta Goya. And I just want to thank you, Eddie. I love it. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Yeah. All right, fam. Peace. Peace, family. It's the Unapologetic Nomads. We're going to have a GoFundMe for new equipment. We really want to have top-notch equipment so we can start doing content that is able to go on networks and stuff like that, apps like Netflix and different apps like that.
Any amount that you choose to donate is perfectly okay with us. We are fine. We just thank you for finding it in your heart, the willingness to give. Thank you so much.
So some of the things we are trying to purchase with this donation money is cameras, drones, and other equipment we're going to be needing if we want to make better content for you.
We really want to take our channel to the next level, and we definitely would appreciate if you can support us in doing that. If we reach our goal, great. If not, it's still cool. You know, we just want to bring you the best content that we can give you, family. I said the best content that we can give you.